Hey.
Jessie Nelson, the British singer, best known for her tenure as a member of Little Mix, has shared her first solo single. It's called Boys. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, like, share the video. Jessie Nelson released a first single called Boys, and it featured an assist from Nicki Minaj. The track samples Diddy, Bad Boy's Life, and it appears in the video too. Minaj previously collaborated with Little Mix on the 2018 song Woman Like Me. She recently joined Bia on a remix of a single, Whole Lotta Money. Earlier this year, she brought her 2009 mixtape, Beam Me Up Scooty, to streaming services with the new Drake and Lil Wayne, featuring single Sane Grain. She also joined Polo G on the new song For the Love of New York. Now, this song has been trending ever since it has been released. It has really gone through a lot of beautiful moments, from the set design to the video production. So it's really awesome. Nicki Minaj always does these creative things via video production, especially when it comes to featuring someone or she's being featured. There's always this professionalism and creative concept in the video mix. I love the video. Please let's know what you feel about this video in the comment section. Comment and let's know your views. See you in the next video. Bye guys.